lessons is going to be wish and regret. Wish and regret is one of the most important lessons in your baccalaureate. Okay, let's start with the wish. Wish. Let's pick up a sentence, for example, a sentence. Okay, I don't have enough money to buy a new car. I don't have enough money to buy a new car. ما عنديش فلوس بزاف باش نشري طوموبيل. This is a real situation in present. هذه واحد الحالة اللي هي صحيحة في البريزون، واقعية. Okay. Okay. Look to the verb don't have. Don't have. It is in simple present, conjugated in simple present, and it is negative also. Don't have is in simple present and it is negative. Okay. We said that we want to wish something. بغينا ندير واحد الأمنية. We want to have a wish. Okay. I wish I had enough money to buy a new car. ما عنديش الفلوس، كنت نتمنى كون كانوا عندي بزاف الفلوس. Okay. Good. I wish I had enough money to buy a new car. We add wish. This is a first change. هذا واحد change، واحد التغيير درناه على الجملة. Another change it is the verb don't have. We conjugated the verb have, don't have in simple past. It is in simple present but now becomes simple past. Moreover, don't have is negative. We have to make it affirmative. Okay, now let's have some examples. Let's start with the first one. I don't know how to use a computer. I don't know how to use a computer. ما عارفش كيفاش نستخدم واحد الكمبيوتر. Okay. Don't know is negative. Let's have the sentence. I wish I knew how to use a computer. I wish I knew how to use a computer. Don't know is simple present. Knew it's simple past. Okay, this is a wish, sorry, not which, a wish. Okay, let's move to the second one. Ahmed smokes cigarettes. Ahmed smokes cigarettes. It means يدخن سجائر. Okay, this is the real situation in present. Let's have a wish. Okay, he wishes he didn't smoke cigarettes. كيتمنى كل ما تكميش cigarettes. Okay, next, number 3. I'm sorry, I can't help you. I'm sorry, we can delete it. Okay, like this. Look, I wish I could help you. Can't, could. I wish I could help you. Number 4. I can't sing. ما تنقدرش نغني أو ما كنعرفش نغني. This is when we are talking about abilities or possibilities. Okay, I can't sing. Let's know the wish. I wish I could sing. I wish I could sing. Okay, now some things to remember. You have to remember things such as the form of the sentence. When we have affirmatives becomes negative, and when we have negative it becomes affirmative. Okay, remember affirmative, negative, negative, affirmative. Another thing is the tense. When we have simple present it means that it is a wish, so we have to conjugate the verb in simple past. Good. Let's have well and can. Well, would, can, could. I can't sing, I could sing. Okay, use if only instead of wish. We can use wish or if only. Let's see. Sarah doesn't get invited to parties. سارة ما كيعرضوش عليها الناس الحفلات وهذه مسكينة كتتمنى أنه يعرض عليها شي واحد الحفلة. Okay, we are going to look to the first sentence with wish, and then we are going to look to the second sentence with if only. Okay, Sarah wishes she got invited to parties. Sarah wishes she got invited to parties. Okay, كتمنى كون كيعرضوا عليها البارتيز. This is with wish. Okay, Sarah wishes she got. If only she got invited to parties. If only she, it means Sarah. If only she got invited to parties. Now, let's move to another rule in where. Let's have a sentence. I am not a millionaire. أنا ماشي مليونير. I'm not a millionaire. Okay, look here. I wish I was a millionaire or I wish I were a millionaire. Which one is correct? Was a millionaire or wish I were a millionaire? Okay, Yes, I wish I was a millionaire is not correct. I wish I were a millionaire. Why? Because the simple past using here is not in real past. So it's correct to say, I wish I were a millionaire. Okay? Here it's correct in the wish and regret to say like this. Okay? Next, I am not with my friends now. I'm not with my friends now. I wish I were with my friends now. كنتمنى أكون كنت مع الأصدقاء ديالي دابا. Okay? They go on a trip or something like this. Remember, in wish we don't say I was, I were. I wish I were a millionaire or with my friends. Okay? Form and use. Let's talk about the form and use of wish. Now, form. The form is if only or I wish. It's I or he or she, etc. Okay? I wish plus subject plus simple past. This is the form. Remember, if only or I wish, both of them are correct, plus subject plus simple past. Okay? Let's move now to the use. Okay, we use the wish or we use wish plus simple past for things you want to change in present or future. Okay, the simple past here is unreal past, ماشي شي past اللي حقيقي, because we are just wishing, hoping or willing it. صافي كنتمناو. Okay, this is all about the wish, and now we are going to move to regret. Now let's move to regret. Okay, let's have an example. I didn't see my friend before she left. I didn't see my friend before she left. The action here occurred in the simple past. It means happened in the simple past. It's a real action in simple past. Okay? The verb didn't see is in simple past in negative form. Okay? The verb didn't see is simple past negative form. Let's make the regret. Okay? I wish I had seen my friend before she left, or if only I had seen my friend before she left. Both of them are correct, even if we use it I wish or we use it if only. Okay, let's move to the second step. We have some changes like adding if only or wish on the original sentence. Okay, moreover, we have the change of the verb. We have two changes on the verb. The first one is that we change didn't to had seen. It means we change the simple past to past perfect. Okay? So, didn't see is simple past, had seen is past perfect. Moreover, we have affirmative, negative, negative, affirmative. Okay? Let's have some examples. I met some fake friends in my life. I met some fake friends in my life. Fake, it means مزيف غير حقيقي. Okay, let's make it into regret. I wish I hadn't met some fake friends in my life. The sentence here, I met, is in simple past affirmative. When we made the regret, it becomes I wish I hadn't met. Okay, good. Let's have another sentence. Sammy bought an awful second-hand car. Sammy bought an awful second-hand car. Second-hand car هي مستعملة. Okay. Deuxième. Good. Let's move it to regret. Sammy wishes he hadn't bought that car. Sammy wishes he hadn't bought that car. Okay. Let's move now to the use and the form of regret. Okay, let's start with the form and use. Okay, the form. Let's have a sentence. I'm sorry I left the office early. اسمح لي ولا اعتذر حق خليت البيرو بكري. Concerning I'm sorry, it should be deleted. خصها تحيد. Okay, let's see the sentence in regret. If only I hadn't left the office early. كون ما مشيتش بكري من المكتب. Okay, good. We have the form is like that. If only plus wish plus subject plus past perfect. And the past perfect is had plus past participle. Good. Let's move to the use. Use wish plus past perfect to talk about things happened or didn't happen in the past which you regret now. شي حاجة درتيها ولا ما درتيهاش في past and you regret it now في present. Okay? That's all about wish and regret.